Now to this big award for a UT graduate today, honored with the prestigious Nobel Prize for his work fighting against cancer. And as KVU's Patrick Perez shows us, it's just the beginning of what's happening at the university. Patrick?
Terry, there is so much cutting-edge research happening at UT, and that's now growing even more with the new medical school that was added in 2016. And researchers at UT say it is just the beginning, changing the face of the world's deadliest diseases. He set out to study the immune system. Now he's won a Nobel Prize.
I'm still kind of in a state of shock, actually.
UT Austin alumnus Dr. Jim Allison is being credited for his work at the MD Anderson Cancer Center in Houston. He's helping some cancer patients live longer by treating their immune system instead of attacking the cancer cells. Actually,
one patient from the phase 1 trial in 2001, they got a single dose of NSC4. A patient with metastatic melanoma is still around almost 19 years later.
Groundbreaking cancer research isn't just being done at this center. Inside this lab at UT Austin, scientists are also coming up with answers that could potentially save lives.
We have an approach where there's no virus we don't like.
Dr. Chris Sullivan and his colleagues research the ways some viruses work in animals like birds to help fight viruses in humans.
We think we got some insights into another major killer virus of humans, which is human papillomavirus. By understanding what those genes did in the bird, it helps us understand the process of cancer from the human viruses.
Recently, researchers studied the bovine leukemia virus, the same virus that killed Bevo14 a few years ago, to learn how we can better fight hepatitis C.
Our particular discovery helps understand how the virus takes over the cells and makes them grow. Part of that host interacts with the virus, and that's the part that we later found out was important in defending against hepatitis C virus.
It's important to fund efforts to study animal viruses because Dr. Sullivan says there's still a lot to learn.
This is why you come to UT Austin over other places. We're doing real world in the trenches science, and sometimes the basic leads to jumps forward that matter to humans.
This is the second year a UT graduate has won a Nobel Prize. Last year, Michael Young took the prize for his research into how our internal clocks and biological rhythms help us regulate our hormone levels, body temperature, and metabolism. In the studio tonight, Patrick Perez, KVU News.